All right, this is number 7 on the digital assignment for February 12th. This is another one where we're being asked to use the elimination method, but this one is a tiny bit different from the last two. Because when I look at this problem, I notice that if I start adding them together, I don't have a variable that's going to cancel out, right? If I do a negative 3x plus 1x, that gives me negative 2x. And if I do 4y plus 5y, that gives me 9y. And we wanted something where we could cancel out one of our variables. So to accomplish that, I do know that if I can somehow make this a positive 3x, then it will cancel out with my negative 3x here. Now, I can't just start multiplying one piece by 3, right? If I multiply x by 3 to make it a 3x, then I have to multiply every part of this equation by 3. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the 5y and I'm going to multiply it by 3. Well, 5 times 3 is going to change this to a 15y. And then I'm also going to take the 2 that I have over here, multiply it by 3. Now this is equal to a 2 times 3, 6. And so I took every piece of this bottom equation and I multiplied it all by 3. So now when I start trying to add my two equations together, negative 3x plus 3x cancels. Now I do have my elimination happening. 4y plus 15y gives me 19y. And on this side, negative 6 plus positive 6 gives me 0. So if I'm trying to solve this for y, right now y is being multiplied by 19, we would divide both sides by 19. Y equals 0 divided by 19. Well, 0 divided by 19 is just 0. So the y value is going to be 0. So now I'm going to take that y value of 0 and I'm going to plug it back into one of my equations. I'm going to use my original equation before I multiplied by 3. So that bottom equation originally said x plus 5y equals 2. I'm going to take that 0 and I'm going to plug that in for y. So if I plug in a 0 for y, right, 5 times 0 is just 0, x plus 0 is just x, and so we get x equals 2. So again, we want our answer to be written as an ordered pair. The x value comes first, and so the coordinates would be 2, 0.